Yeah, so this is Dr. Morteza's,
Doctor?
right? Yeah, we call him Dr. Morteza because he fixes everything. All right, Dr. Morteza's R8. We're gonna lower it H&R Springs we have right now. That's the plan. Fuck, man, it was like this. Look at that. Is that fixable? What kind of bullshit are these guys on, bro? Look at Amazon, bro. Look how they ship this shit.
Honestly, with maybe a little bit of heat, we can like
Go ahead and try to fix it. Like, yo, Dr. Morteza's in the house. Yo, we have Dr. Morteza. Now you guys wanted to know who is Dr. Morteza. This is Dr. Morteza. Why? Because he can fix everything and anything. Okay, you have a body panel that's like this, he can make it happen. You know, so today we got his R8. We're putting on the H&R Springs. The H&R Springs is going to give this car better handling, but also at the same time, it's going to lower it and make it look nice, sleek. When you see Dr. Morteza on the street, you say, oh man, that's him. You can see him from far away. You can already see this very, very nice color. You don't see a lot of R8s with, so this car is beautiful.
Holy shit, that's compressing. Nice.
Right, so we're trying to see how this guy depins it properly.
You have to depin this connector because otherwise the wire's too fat to take it apart.
Yeah,
Great
so
design.
that's what
So anyways, you want to take note of where the wires are, and you probably can't see it on the camera, but this white wire is going to be number 2, and the black wire is going to be number 1, just
take
in
notes.
case
I'm
you get
taking
mixed up.
notes.
And I'm also saying that for my purposes. In case I forget, I can go back and watch this and see where the wires go. On second thought, guys, I'm not depinning this wire.
So he decided just to cut
Quick
him.
jump forward.
So
H&R has provided
Worst case
a proprietary
scenario.
tool.
we got the depinning tools. That wasn't working by itself at first. So what did you have to do?
I have to unlock it. That little purple thing.
See if I can show you guys the inside. It's kind of hard to see. Right there. Okay, so
That purple thing has to move down. That's it. And then you can depin it. Squeeze in those tabs and then push it down at the same time. Like move it down.
so any of you guys watching or watching this video to learn how to do this, now you guys know.
Volkswagen.
That's not good. Now Sal's on the process at the back where you have to take this top hat off, spin this bushing all the way around while unspinning the wire. I had to leave for like 2 minutes because I had to go do something in the front. Sal's already put the rear spring on, so
2 minutes is all I ever need.
you hear that, ladies? If you guys need your car done fast, literally come to TooFast.
Ready. We put on 15 millimeter spacers. Boom, shakalaka. This is the Chief Raka. Right, Uncle? Yo, Uncle, is that right? Yeah. Yo, Uncle, if you guys need spacers, you gotta come see Uncle, okay? Uncle, he's the spacer guy, eh? Spacers, lug nuts, LED lights, you gotta check Uncle. Uncle at TooFast. If you don't know, now you know, baby.
Yep.
Look at that, guys. Look at that flood fitment. Now that's what I'm talking about. Dr. Morteza, what do you think?
Amazing.
Is the fitment flush?
I love it.
We gotta put some tire shine. We gotta shine up the car. You know, we already cleaned the floor mats. We gotta get this bad boy shining right now for Dr. Morteza to enjoy his beautiful car. Dr. Morteza just got here.
I love it. I love
He
it.
came, he saw this bad boy. What is he thinking?
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow.
Once you
Look at
drive
that
it, the suspension is gonna settle. It's gonna drop a bit more, and in a week we'll take it for alignment because the suspension will be settled. So, you know, but you can see now there's no more wheel gap. We put the spacers. The wheel are nice and fat. Looks like different rims now, eh?
Yeah.
Looks like it fills it in perfectly. Yeah, the rims look so much more aggressive. They fill the wheel well in way more now. I told them to do a front lip, but it's gonna be way too low with the front lip. And this generation is already really nice. The way it is with the white and the black, it's beautiful.
I know an R8 guy who has a front splitter. He's been through 4 of them in 1 year.
That's the plan. I have to sell him one, then I can sell him another 3. All right, man. Enjoy. We'll see you soon.
You done for the day? Get the fuck out of here, motherfucker.
No, my girl don't want to clean my clothes.
Oh shit.
She said that the outside one smelled like mechanic and the inside one smelled like shit.